Okay, I'm heading back into my sketchbook. We are going to do something very fun and fast and easy, and let's see how it goes. I saw this on, we're going to draw some people. We're going to paint some people. I'm not drawing anything. We're going to paint people. I saw this on Instagram, or yeah, I think it was Instagram. I'll show you. But this person did the letter M to start with the people, and then you just fill it in, and it's just these people holding hands, and you can make them however you'd like. All right, and then with that same thing, you just put a little shadow. We'll just pretend our light's coming from that way, and then head into our next color. Think of, let's see here, another little M, and just kind of fill them in, make little shapes of people, kind of make their legs look like they're walking. All right. Easy so far, right? This would be a fun way to just add little people if you're doing, let's say, a landscape or something like that. I'm kind of picturing like a winter landscape. Got some water on there. Little winter landscape. But I just loved this. Super simple. Do the letter M, fill it in, and it's just super fun and easy. We'll add the heads a little bit later. All right, let's do some red down here. And you can mix colors. Like, let's say let's say this one, I want to do half of it red, and then I'll do half of it yellow. And if they mix together, obviously that's not a big deal because red and yellow make orange. All right, go back into the red a little bit. And there you go. There's our next person. Or people, I guess. All right, what do we want to do? We'll do a mixture of, for their shadow, we'll do a little orangey. All right, next we're going to do this little blue, beautiful blue color. All right, do you see what I'm doing here? Now, if you wanted to do like a bunch of people, you just make them different sizes. I don't like how that one went, so I'm just going to add a little bit here. And the smaller the people, obviously, I should have waited for that to dry to add that, but that's okay. The smaller the people, the further away they're going to look. But you can do bigger people. Let's see, I love that blue, but we'll go back with our yellow. And maybe we'll do a little mixed color couple here. And we'll start with our yellow. What should we do? Green? Yellow and green? Kind of a fun little color combination. All right, we're going to put our green in here. Didn't get enough water on that one. Put the green in here. This. You see, this is not precise art. Naturally, nothing I do is precise. I love the wonk. You know I do. So you can just do that. Doesn't matter the shapes. All right, let me go back into the green and just pull a little bit of length into the legs there. All right, and we'll do a green shadow. Maybe even add a little yellow on the end there for funsies. All right, now these are all dry up at the top, so I'm just going to come in with black, and you can come in with any color. I'm just, for simplicity's sake, I'm just adding a little black dot for their little heads. Okay? And this might not make sense to you. I hope it does. These are going to be bigger because they're closer to us. You see what I'm doing there? I love them. I think they're so fun. Maybe let's add a little neutral color here. A little neutral couple. Right, letter M. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. And you just add their little heads right there because that's not going to bleed or anything. Give them a little shadow. I think I'll come in with some straight burnt sienna, which I just love that color. I think if I do like a winter scene, that's just what I have in mind. Ooh, I love burnt sienna. Isn't that nice? If I do a winter scene, I'll probably do more like a neutral like that. I don't know. I'm just kind of picturing something in my mind right now. So yeah, there we go. And as long as I'm careful, and I mean, you know what I was going to say, as long as I'm careful, put the heads in, not touching. It's okay. Watch, it's okay if they touch. Watch what happens if it bleeds. It's just going to run down. So that person has long hair. No big deal. If you've seen videos of me, I'm a fan of long hair. In case you don't know, but you can fancy these up. You can give them a little hold. Have them hold a little briefcase or a purse, or give them a hat or whatever. But this is just to give you a very simple idea of how to draw abstract people and how to fill a sketchbook page very quickly. I think it looks a little bit plain for me, so I'm actually going to add some splatter. And I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm kind of doing the same colors. Whoopsie, they went up there, but that's okay. Kind of just doing the same colors. That's my goal. Do the same colors near the, you know what I'm saying? I can't speak today. Same color to kind of match the colors that I used. So right here, I'm just running out of this color, so it's not really working well, but you know what? We're just going to keep trying. Add a little more water. There you go. It's really going all over the place. But you know what? That can be fun if you let go a little bit, which is really my goal. As you can see, it's a struggle sometimes to let go, but that's okay. Some of the green there. May as well keep that on my brush and come up here and add a little green too. It just makes the page not look quite as, I'm going to say, bland. I'm going to add a little yellow here. Funsies, some yellow up here. Get our orange. Okay. And then our beautiful blue. This blue, I added together some phthalo blue with some black just to get the shade that I was going for, get the color I was going for. Oh, trying to get that blue on there. We'll see. All right, and now finally I'll get some of that red color that has a little bit of orange in it for these guys over here. Maybe. Okay. Oh, burnt sienna. Did I do that? It doesn't look like it, but I probably did. I probably did that one first. But I want more. I want more. There we go. And I also want more up here, so I'm gonna do it. All right. Have fun with this. There's a page. I've got page, what is that? Page 4 of my sketchbook done, my very first sketchbook. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece. This was fun. I am happy with how it turned out, and I hope it was helpful to you as well. I almost forgot to add my little date. There we go. Now she's complete. And I'll just bring this a little bit closer so you can see all of the fun little splatters put together here with all these happy little people. Okay, join me in the next video, and until then, take good care.